Mr. Neeraj from Reliance Jewels. Chitrangda, this is on behalf of Reliance Jewels and Femina. Thank you so much for coming here and being a part of this wonderful event. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Chitrangda, I'm sure the media here would like to hear you talk. We just heard Tanya talk about why you were picked as the one to be the
I understand.
Yeah, Tanya was just talking. I just asked, what I asked her was, I said, we need to have certain concept in mind when we plan a cover girl for an issue like this. And she spoke about how you struck that perfect balance between, by being traditional yet contemporary at the same time. So if you could tell us about, firstly, the whole experience about the whole issue.
Well, I mean, when I was told that they wanted me to be the cover girl for this issue, I definitely knew there was going to be a lot of dressing up. And we were going to shoot something very traditional, which I have not done for a while on a cover. It's always been a very high fashion, so I really wanted to do that for that one reason. And yeah, I think the way it was styled by Sonakshi and the way everything was put together was beautiful. And very different than anything that I've shot in a long time. So I'm really looking for, I haven't seen the cover, actually. So I'm really looking forward to seeing that now.
Right. And while we're at it, if you could just tell us about your association with Femina, because the brand in itself, when we talk about a woman, stands for so many things multiply. What does Femina mean to you, and if you could tell us about your association with the brand?
You know, I don't even think I need to say so much about Femina. I think this is a name which has been path-breaking for women in a lot of ways for so many years. I don't know the correct number, but it's probably 70, how many? 54, sorry, 54 years. And have grown up seeing the Femina Miss India contest, and it's just always been so iconic. So to be on a cover, and I was on the cover quite a while back, I think now, and that was, my mom said, you know, great, you've come on the cover of Femina. I mean, that's really something. You know, so it's just a name which I think is just so much of credibility, so much of history behind it, and it's always been a great association. I'm very happy to be on this cover now, and very good.
Thank you so much, Chitrangda. And let's unveil the cover that even you apparently haven't seen.
Yes,
so can we have a copy, please, for what Chitrangda Tanya as well? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the special bridal cover unveiling of Femina Brides. All that you need to know about pulling off that big day in your life as a lady and doing with poise, elegance and style. We have Chitrangda Singh, the girl on the cover. Let's give her all an encouraging round of applause.
Stand here on your right. And this side.
Behind. Yo, Chitrangda.
Center. Go your center. No, this side. Center. And this side. Your center. Chitrangda, you on the right. Chitrangda, you. And look here, this side. On your right. Chitrangda. One solo. Two solo. Yeah. One solo.
Thank you so much. Chitrangda, but before that, can we have you signing the cover, please, for us as a special director?
आगे की साइड होगा
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, the special bridal cover from Femina Brides.
Chitrangda on your right here. Chitrangda, your center. Chitrangda, you on your right here. Take care.
Thank you so much, Tanya.
Yeah, Chitrangada, behind.
This is me, okay? This is solo.
On your right. Stand here. Stand down to right here. Ma'am, here, ma'am. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, this side. Stand here on your right. Here, no, ma'am, this side. Excuse me, ma'am.
Alright, thank you very much guys. We will have some more photo ops for the print and the electronic as well. We just have media. So, Chitrangada, here's your mic. Well, you know, Chitrangada, we are at a jewelry store.
No.
Alright.
Not so much.
Not so much, but the little that you sort of, I'm assuming, like.
I do like, but I think what I really like is less, but I think when it makes a statement, that is more my kind of jewelry.
Alright, and if you had to pick like a piece of jewelry that, you know, that sort of completes your attire, irrespective, what would it be?
Like I said, you know, some kind of a statement piece, anything which is kind of big and makes a statement. I think just one piece instead of wearing everything. So even in my shoot, in fact, what we did was we were either doing a lot of stuff in the neck and keeping everything else clean so that becomes the focus. So I always like something which is, which is kind of, you know, minimal. Minimal.
Alright. On that note, I'd like to call upon Mr. R.K. Menon, the business head of Reliance Jewels. Sir, can we please have you on stage? So that's for you. Thank you very much for being such a wonderful host. And we'd like you to say a few words, sir.
Women, sisters, cousins, so Femina and Mills and Boons were always a part of being a guy on the stage, admitting it, there's no worries about it. And then you come to jewelry and then you see that over the years we have found a reputation.
To which we have a privileged customer from Reliance Jewels who would be also on stage to meet Chitrangada.
All over your right.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and thank you very much, sir.
First of all, you're looking absolutely stunning. You know, and shooting for this cover might have brought back memories of days of, you know, when you were getting married. So if you can very briefly revisit your days as a bride.
No, that was a blur. Sorry, I don't remember anything from that. It was just, I think mentally there's so much going on in your mind that I remember not really bothering so much about the clothes and everything on that day. Of course, before that there was a lot of preparation and everything. And why is the patti this much and why isn't it 1 inch? Why is it 1/4 of an inch? Everything means so much, you know. But I remember that day it was just a blur, really. It was really, I was nervous, and we had an Anand Karaj. It was a day wedding, so it was all really rushed up. And yeah.
So it was a one-day wedding, or was it like a long?
No, of course you have. But I'm saying that the day was Anand Karaj, so it was a 1-day wedding, and by 12 o'clock we were done and over with.
They also say that marriages are made in heaven, but then divorces and fallouts are made by gossip mongers. What would you have to say about that?
Might be some truth in that. I think so.
Thank you very much for your question. If there's somebody else with a question, just so that we make sure everyone's getting a fair chance.
Always busy with work. Which is your dream holiday destination, if I may ask?
Dream holiday. I think Bali. I love Bali. I love going back again and again to that place. Not just the shopping, the climate, the beaches, just the food. Yeah, it's great.
Also, a small reaction on Sachin Tendulkar retiring.
Does he wear jewelry?
But what do you think as a celebrity about his retirement? He's a national leader.
He's the god god of cricket, not just in India. I think there will be his fans across the world will be heartbroken, but I think he's given us so much of great cricket, so much of history in fact, that yeah, I wish him all the best, and I think sportsmen live a very tough life, and I'm sure he's looking forward to some peace as well, so I wish him all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We are just talking.
Thank you very much. Anybody else with questions?
Yeah. Priyanka, which piece of jewelry do you think is your best friend? Women's rings. I love rings. Do reason hoga kuch?
Well, it's easy to wear. I guess keep changing as well, and I'm not very fond. I'm not so much of a jewelry person. Usually, जो मेरी एक piercing है, that's the only thing that I'm always this one. That's the one that I'm always wearing. लेकिन I keep changing rings sometimes. So yeah, rings.
As a person, how important is it for you to look glamorous when you're not acting or when you're not working?
Not at all.
Not at all.
I think it becomes like a job. आपका एक काम होता है glamorous लगना. So I think when you're off duty, then you don't want to be doing that. So yeah, I think a regular t-shirt, jeans, sneakers is what I would love.
There is a mic.
Honestly, क्या चल रहा था? Because I have not done a very traditional Indian look. मैंने काफी टाइम से shoot नहीं किया. Mostly the shoots are very high fashion. But you know, so very modern. लेकिन I really wanted to do something different. And जो इसमें हमने shoot किया है, when you can see the magazine, I think the shots have come out very well. So I wanted to do something different.
Any particular actress that you've admired when you see them on the poster? On a magazine cover.
I think Sonam is very, she's done fantastic covers. She gets it right every time almost. So yeah, I think Sonam is very good. But I think traditionally, I think Rekha ji is somebody who's, अगर आज भी आप उनको देखें तो she's the best mannequin for jewelry and traditional saris. I think, yeah.
What was your latest jewelry transaction? Have you been gifted something? Have you given a gift?
I have bought myself a diamond finally. No, so that's been my latest buy. I've invested in this ring. I've always loved the teardrop shape that you diamond on there. That's always been my favorite, so I picked myself up.
And you're working on Hair now, maybe you can tell us.
The project got pushed because of some issues, and so now it's all coming back together. Some dates were, of course, all over the place, and so yeah, so the project will now come back together, and you should hear of a date soon.
When does it go on the floors, and who's producing it, who's directing it?
I think that's a very technical question for today. We'll talk about it some other time, but yeah, it's all been put together, and I think we will have a date very soon.
There were reports that Nikhil Advani was supposed to be directing it.
I saw that whole article. It was ridiculous because Nikhil gave me a call that morning and said that Chitrangada looks like you're managing a lot, and we were both laughing about it. So yeah, I think these are all rumors. Of course, Nikhil is very close and has been assistant with Sandeep, in earlier years. So they're always working together, and they always work, like friends together. So of course he is being part of the project, and I really don't want to say anything else because things get twisted and written about. So yeah, there was no truth in that one article. I think that's what we're talking about.
Shridhanta, what's your plan for Diwali?
Plan is family, friends, go back home and play some cards, make some money, and buy some jewelry, I guess.
Diwali wishes.
Yes, I would definitely like to wish all the viewers a very, very happy Diwali. With all your family, your loved ones, I hope you have them all around and you have a great one.
अच्छा चित्रांगदा, अगर इलेक्शन की बात करें, इलेक्शन आने वाले हैं, तो आपको क्या लगता है कितना वोटिंग करना,
पॉपुलेशन की बात करें,
वोटिंग करना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है आपकी तरफ से, आप बताएं।
वोटिंग कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है? बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब उसकी कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस है, obviously cannot say enough, but having said that, बहुत कम लोग वोट करते हैं, स्पेशली द वंस हु आर ऑब्वियसली इन अ जॉब, एंड आई रियली होप, मुझे ऐसा लगता है हर बार कि कोई और तरीका होना चाहिए वोटिंग का, ऑनलाइन वोटिंग और समथिंग लाइक दैट शुड बी पॉसिबल फॉर पीपल हु आर वर्किंग, जो जॉब्स में हैं, जो आउट ऑफ स्टेशन हैं, हु आर ट्रैवलिंग, मतलब स्पेशली लाइक इन द आर्मी, आई थिंक वी आर वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट आर्मी इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड कोई भी वोट नहीं कर पाता बिकॉज नोबडी इज बैक होम. So a lot of things can be changed, I think, to improve the voting system. But yes, I think we should vote. We should all vote.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.